Okay, this is a video for the final assembly of your book. So you're going to assemble your book block to your covers. So what I want to do first is I want to open up where my title page is. And I'm going to flip it over and open up the rest of my book. And I'm going to glue on just this one very first page of my title page. You want to get glue all over it, and you want to have a nice thin coat of glue that goes all the way from the fold to the edge. So you want to glue off the edge of your sheet. Then you're going to take that, I'm going to move my cover right here, and you're going to glue, this is the glued part, you're going to flip it over, and you're going to line it up so it's inside of your cover. And you're going to press down. Then you'll fold your whole book up, and you'll open that last page. So see how my last page is ready to go? So I'm just going to glue this back side. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck a piece of scratch paper underneath it so that I can glue off the edge without getting glue on my cover. Again, I'm going to put glue all over this. I'm going to wipe the glue in every direction, making sure to get off the edge and go right up to that edge there. Then I'm going to take my other cover. I'm going to take this piece of paper out because I don't want to get glue on the other side of my cover. Remove this so you can see it. I'm going to put this back cover down. Then I'm going to flip this over, line my two covers up, press down, and then I'm going to put this under pressure for about an hour before I open it up. But if you want to just quickly check and make sure you don't have any wrinkles in there, you get all your wrinkles out, and you'll be ready to go.